Palogics Infrastructure Private Limited incorporated in 2007 with an objective to provide customized and cost-effective logistics solutions to its clients. The company is managed by highly experienced professionals. The Palogics Infrastructure has a strategic tie-up with Godavari Commodities Private Limited. Palogics Infrastructure is in the process of developing private freight terminals in Durgapur, Kolkata in West Bengal, Rudrapur in Uttarakhand, and Muradnagar in Ghaziabad, Delhi NCR. As we are in the center of major consumption and production centers, Palogics Infrastructure, in association with 4D Infra, decided to develop Muradnagar PFT state-of-art logistics hub. This PFT has immense potential to become a promising hub, which can handle any kind of steel products, whether they are long or they are flat products. The private freight terminal will be equipped with ultra-modern technology, having fully digital and automated systems with minimal human intervention. 2 full-length operational rail lines with engine push-in and pull-out mechanism. Ease of operations and faster turnaround of rakes is ensured through fully remote-controlled rail-mounted gantry cranes. Fully remote-controlled rail-mounted gantry cranes will be equipped to handle both long and flat products such as wire rods, HR and CR coils, and flat steel. The gantry crane lifts containers and coils from the rake and places them on the trailers. With additional scope of expansion, it has sufficient space for rail operations, stocking, and other related activities. 2 state-of-the-art warehouses will be adjacent to the PFT for quality handling, stacking, and storage of both flat and long products with the help of fully automated EOT cranes. These cranes will consist of special attachment for handling both long and flat products. Proper dunnaging system will be installed for storage of flat and long material in both PFT and warehouse. Safeguarding the 3 M's man, material and machine is our top priority, and we have taken steps in order to ensure that through and through at every step of the way. Dedicated office space for vendors, customer, and 24 hours canteen with waiting lounge for drivers for all working personnel at the yard. Proper toilet facilities, the yard will be very well lit for effective 24/7 operations. High-definition cameras with night vision will be installed at key locations to monitor safe handling of equipments. The proper barricading and soundproofing will be done with standard sound barriers to minimize noise so that there is no problem to the locals. The trailers, after having loaded weight, it gets its slip and moves out of the terminal. The PFT has excellent rail and road connectivity, serves various parts of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and other parts of the country. It is on main NH58 and Delhi-Meerut Expressway, which is directly connected with industrial belts of Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur, Roorkee, and Dehradun. Is just 10 kilometers away, which connects with the industrial belt of Ghaziabad, Hapur, Gajraula, Pantnagar, Muradabad, and Sitarganj. It is just 3 kilometers from Eastern Peripheral Expressway, which connects with the industrial belts of Greater Noida, Faridabad, Khurja, Aligarh, Gurugram. The PFT has excellent connectivity with the major industrial town of Hisar, Mandi Gobindgarh, and Ludhiana. It is also connected with major industrial towns of Uttar Pradesh. The excellent connectivity with the road network will ensure faster turnaround and last mile connectivity. This PFT have immense potential to become promising hubs for various steel products. In process of development of private freight terminals, Rudrapur as new upcoming PFT, which is going to develop state-of-the-art logistics hub, can handle all kind of cargoes and steel products. Pelagics, logistics with logic.